for our volleyball women. So ang Mata Cluster, ladies and gentlemen, makadawat sila og certificate, and of course to our placers, especially to the third, second, and first, or champion, makadawat sila certificate, cash, and trophy. Alright, let's proceed first to our consolation prizes. So for women's category, we have Cluster 3. Cluster 3.